F-16 Fighting Falcon is a single-engine multi-role combat aircraft developed by Lockheed Martin and General Dynamics. It is known as the most popular aircraft in the world since it is used by many countries around the world and has always shown a stunning performance in air-to-air combat and has always been one step ahead of its competitors. Welcome to my channel. You're watching History Behind Warbirds, and today we are going to talk about the Fighting Falcon. In the beginning of the 70s, US Air Force was looking for a multi-role combat aircraft which could fulfill their needs and could match all their requirements. As a result, Lockheed Martin finally came up with the idea of F-16, and because of this reason, on the year 20th January 1974, F-16 had its first flight, and F-16 had its second flight in the year 2nd February 1974. Since then, US has seen the cutting edge technology of F-16, so they introduced F-16 to the public in the year 17th August 1978, and this is when the Falcon was born. The first ever users of the Falcon was Pakistan, when they bought it because of the Soviet-Afghan war. For this purpose, they had used J-6 Chinese fighter aircraft, which proved to be slow for the current situation. So they contracted America for the F-16 Fighting Falcon in the year 1982, and F-16 was brought to Pakistan in the year 1983, since only one F-16 was shot down because of friendly fire, and it proved to be the game changer of the war. Other than that, many F-16s are used by 25 different nations and has took part in dozens of operations around the world and has always get the job done. There were about 4,604 F-16s were built, out of which 3,200 are still operational around the world, and it is still being produced from the year 1973 to the present year. If we talk about the weapons of the Falcon, so it used a variety of weapons which include all three air-to-air, air-to-ground and anti-ship missile, since it is a multi-role combat aircraft. In terms of air-to-air, F-16 used 6 types of air-to-air weapons, which include AIM-7 Sparrow, which is a medium-range radar homing missile, AIM-9 Sidewinder, which is a short-range radar homing missile, AIM-120 AMRAAM, which is a BVR missile capable in all weather conditions, IRIS-T, which is an infrared missile, Python 4, which is an Israeli-made missile, Python 5, which is an Israeli-made short BVR missile, commonly known to be equipped on the F-16. Now if we talk about air-to-ground missiles, F-16 use AGM-65 Maverick, AGM-88 Arm, AGM-158 Joint Air-to-Surface Standoff Missile, and AGM-154 Joint Standoff Weapon, which is a cruise missile. In anti-ship missile, F-16 used 2 types of weapons, which are AGM-84 Harpoon, AGM-119 Penguin. But other than all these weapons, F-16 also used an M6A1 Vulcan cannon, which is a 6-barrel rotary cannon which carries 20mm rounds. F-16 used 15 types of different bombs and used a APG-68 advanced radar. Now if we talk about the structure, so the amazing structure of the Falcon is the reason behind its dynamic performance. First, F-16 has no traditional center stick, but instead it has a side stick, which is introduced to the fly-by-wire technology to make its flight much more smoother. Other than that, its characteristics include the seat, which is also tilted at a 90-degree angle, which can give the pilot a tolerance of 1 G. Other than that, the length of F-16 is about 49 feet 5 inches, which is about 15.06 meters. Total wingspan of F-16 is about 32 feet 8 inches, which is 9.96 meters. The height of F-16 is about 16 feet, which is 4.9 meters. Empty weight is 18,900 pounds. In kg, it weighs about 8,573 kg. Maximum takeoff weight is 26,500 pounds, which is about 19,000 kg. Fuel capacity is 7,000 pounds and it weighs 3,200 in kg. Now let's talk about the general characteristics which matter a lot in terms of dogfight. The speed of the Falcon is 2.4 Mach, which is 2,400 km per hour, a radius of 546 km, and the maximum service ceiling of 50,000 feet. The total Gs F-16 can handle are 9. Other than that, F-16 can climb 250 meters per second, and total wind loading can go up to about 431 kg. F-16 has a number of variants operating around the world. The latest variant is F-16 Block 72. Before US was planning to retire F-16 in the year 2025, but now it is increased to 2045, since they are really impressed by the performance of the Falcon. It seems like that we will not see this jet retiring anytime before 2045. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, if you are interested in any type of military aviation, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video.